how to fix Google Chrome extensions download interrupted. So in order to do this, we can take a few steps. The first one is going to be clicking on the three dots in the top right of Google Chrome and then going into settings. Now, right here, what we want to do is go into privacy and security. Then you want to select delete browsing data. And here, make sure cached images and files is set. And also, you want to set this to all time and click on delete from this device. The next tip which I can give you is going to be to check your antivirus. Sometimes your antivirus is going to disable some extensions, so you can go and check if everything is set here. You can also try temporarily disabling it in order to see if that lets you download the extension. And the last step is going to be going again into settings and this time opening up the extensions, and here you can go and manually select whichever extension you want. Go to details, and if you see repair next to the extension, you want to click on the repair button and that should fix it. I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.